Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have the PDF open. Now start by confirming the right app and printer. Once done, open the print dialog via File Print or Ctrl+P and choose your physical printer, not PDF virtual printers. Make sure to select the correct paper type and orientation because those affect ink density. Next, click Properties or Preferences to access driver-specific options. You're now positioned to adjust darkness settings in the driver and application simultaneously to get a reliably darker print. You'll now modify both driver and PDF level controls to stack darkness. In the printer properties, raise print density or toner darkness and choose high quality or photo paper if available. That lays down more ink. Then switch color to grayscale if color washing is the issue, and adjust contrast or gamma to deepen midtones. Back in the PDF app, use ProFlight or Edit Enhance scans to increase image contrast or export pages as images, darken them. And reinsert, this hardens any light text or graphics. Print one test page to evaluate darkness under your usual lighting. Subtle room light changes the result. If the page is still light, raise density further or apply a PDF image filter and reprint. If it becomes too dark, dial density down or undo PDF adjustments until balanced. If prints remain inconsistent, update or reinstall the printer driver, try a different printer, or save as high-res PDF and use a copy shop with calibrated presses. Remember, test pages save time and supply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.